Hi, and welcome to this Grow Your Own Marketing Strategy course. My name is Guy Bucknell. I'm the author of the course, and I'm also the host and facilitator of the course. So before we start, I just want to say welcome to the course, but also welcome to Bizmarang. This course is actually hosted on bizmarang.m.co, and if you don't know already, if you're not already a member or you weren't previously a member of Bizmarang, Bizmarang is a platform designed to help small to medium enterprises network with each other and network for business. As a consequence, this course is slightly different from other courses you might have done online. It's far more collaborative, and the collaboration is built into the tech. So you'll notice that when you're in the course right now, that there is a course news feed where everybody can contribute, create posts, add attachments and pictures and all that sort of stuff. And the reason we've done that is because we are hoping that your journey now on marketing or creating your own marketing strategy is a collaborative process, not just with the members of your team at work, etc., or in your business, but also with the other members of the course as you work your way through it. So that's a little bit about Bizmarang and the course itself. Let me tell you about the structure of the course. It's essentially, well, first off, it's delivered in bite-sized chunks. So there is nothing in here that is more than 15 or 20 minutes long, coming from, I think the longest video in this is nearly 30 minutes, but that's a particularly heavy bit. The rest of it is all in really nice bite chunks, and it comes in 4 sections, and each section has a number of lessons. And at the end of each lesson, there is a task that you should do. Now, this is almost an iterative process all the way through. So do section 2, lesson 1, then do section 2, lesson 2, then section 2, lesson 3, and there are tasks in each one of those. And each one of them builds up. So you can hop forward if you can. Once you've gone through the whole course, you can go back and hop forward and backwards and all that sort of stuff. But as you work through each stage and do each task, the next section will then open up to you. So do it in that order, and everything will be rosy. So as I say, the first section that we're doing right now is actually the section you're in right now, which is the preliminaries, where really we just explain the tech to you and how to use the course that's best. The second, section 2, is actually when we start doing the preparation for building your marketing strategy. It's very like a farmer preparing his field, or if you imagine it in the same way as you might be building a house, you need to prepare the ground and get the foundations right before you start. Section 3 then gets into much more marketing type stuff, the stuff that I think you might originally been expecting, where we cover off marketing frameworks and where you're identifying the needs and the messaging and what media you're going to put it into. And you should bear in mind that that is specific to your business based on the work that you've done in the preparation phases. And then section 4 is when we really take that and learn how you can use that information that you've made to start building serious funnels, and you learn how to grow your business with real confidence based on the work that you've done. The last thing then is the summary, and in the summary essentially we just cover off very briefly what you've already done, and then let you go from there. Now, the thing to remember, as I said, is use the course structure and use the news feed and create posts and look for feedback on the work that you're doing. Other than that, well, myself and my team will be checking in there a couple of times a day. So if you need any help along the way, feel free to check in there and ask a question or create a poll or whatever, and we'll answer it as soon as we can. But other than that, welcome, good luck, and I hope you're just about to realize and answer all the questions that you've been worrying about up to now. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.